What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I have a very exciting video for you guys today. So I'm going to be doing a unboxing on some products that I have just gotten, and I'm really excited about it. I've seen it all over Instagram, all over social medias, and I thought it was finally my time to try them. So of course your girl got them. So if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's get into it. So I'm super excited about everything I have gotten. I have the box here. I have not taken it out of the box yet, so I don't know what it looks like or anything like that. I'm so excited. So when you open it, that's what it's gonna look like. Okay, so the first thing we got, I guess I'll show you the tumbler first. I got two things. So the tumbler, I love a good tumbler, and I'm literally so excited, especially for this one, because like I'm just like so excited. I could put anything in it. Obviously you could put anything in a tumbler. The packaging is adorable. I don't know if you can see that. It's like a lavender color. If you don't know, I love lavender, so that's really cute. So when you open it, and the cup's lavender. Oh my god. And I can take this anywhere. And it has like a special place if you put like tea in it, like your, I guess like your tea infusions or something like that. I think that's what they're called. Won't actually like get in your mouth. That is so freaking cute. Oh my god. And it says the brand name on there. It says please allow hot contents to cool for 1 to 3 minutes before tightening the lid. Okay. Do not stir, shake, or turn your tumbler upside down if contents are extremely hot. I'm so excited about this. I'm going to be putting everything in here. This is so cute. I'm definitely going to be putting teas in here, even just like water in here. Anything I can do in here. So it says twist the lid counterclockwise to loosen it. Okay, we know that. It says add your tea and pour in the hot water. So like if you got tea from them, I currently didn't get tea from them. I love tea, but like I'm very picky with my teas. So I haven't gotten it yet, so maybe I'll try that. And then it said add a stir and screw it back on. And then there's a super secret compartment. It says store more tea, vitamins, and protein. The bottom comes off. That is so smart. So like if you have medicines you have to take throughout the day and you know you're gonna have this with you, you can store them in here. Perfect. I'm super excited about this. I can't wait to use it. I do have an affiliate link down below if you guys want to go check it out. I will definitely link this for you guys. I think this is so cute and I'm so excited to try it. So if you guys don't know, your girl doesn't eat that many vegetables. Like it's kind of bad. Like she needs to eat more of her greens. I don't eat a lot of greens because they kind of just like, I don't personally just eat them, I guess, every day. I'll maybe have like a green bean every now and again, but I don't. So of course I had to get the greens superfood blend because I need more greens in my diet, and my diet is pretty much crap, so I need to make it better. So I decided to get this to get more greens in me, obviously because everybody needs greens. It says the greens is a nutritious blend of plant-based superfoods, perfect for getting a daily dose of powerful greens in your life. Mix 1 scoop with water or juice, or add it to your smoothie. So I'll probably add it to a shake. I don't know what I'm going to put in the shake yet, but just to, I don't know, I haven't tried it yet. I'm super excited to try it. Maybe add some like strawberries, bananas in there, make it like not too greeny if you're not like into the green taste. It says it is vegan, GMO-free, gluten-free, dairy and soy-free, 100% plant-based, and 16 superfood ingredients, which is super awesome. So this is basically like all natural, which is awesome. Matcha wheatgrass and I don't know that word. I can't say that word. If you guys don't know me by now, I'm not really good with reading. that's something I need to work on. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this in a smoothie, or maybe just like by itself, because I do want to just try it like and see if it's actually like how it tastes by itself, if I can handle it, because like a lot of weird foods or textures freak me out. I'm very complicated. So I'm gonna try this and I cannot wait. I'll probably be doing a day in my life soon, and I will be trying it in there, or like having it just with my breakfast or my lunch very, very soon, which is super exciting. So be on the lookout for a video containing this bad boy and what it tastes like. I am so excited to try everything out. I'm so excited for the water bottle, and I'm so excited for the greens. They also have some other stuff on the website, so I will link that down below for you guys. They also have a protein powder, which I'm probably going to get soon. I love a good protein powder. So like I said, I do have an affiliate link down below, so if you want to check out the website, definitely go check it out and use my affiliate link. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, comment down below, video ideas for the future, don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.